See how to fix application hang detection error in Fortnite. So for this, you need to go to verify file and click the verify. After that, it takes 5 to 6 minutes to verify the Fortnite files and folders. If any issues occur, it will rectify it and will notify you. So be patient for few seconds. Once the verification is completed and there is no issue, yes, you can see now there is no issue. Then the files and folders are that have no issues. Then go to ms config and one time click it, and after go to run. In this, you need to type local app data and click OK. After that, you need to scroll down and go to Epic Game Launchers. In this saved is that you need to click save, and web cache is that you need to delete the web cache. If it's unable to delete, means you need to go to task manager and check whether the Epic Game Launcher is running in background or not. If it's running in background, it's unable to delete. So you need to end the task, and once end task completed, you can delete. So it's only with cache, so no need to worry. And go to Windows Defender Firewall. Click the Windows Defender Firewall and click Allow an app features through Window Defender and click change settings. In this, you need to scroll down and need to check the Epic Game Launchers and Fortnite is available or not. And make sure it should be in private and public mode. You need to turn it on as private and public mode. And if it's not available, means you need to allow another app and browse it. For easy method, go outside and go to open file location and copy the address. And after that, browse it and paste the address here. The Epic Game Launcher icon is software is easily find out and click add. This is a easy method to add the Epic Game Launcher overrun in the this, and after that you need to go to network and internet settings and you need to scroll down. In this, go to advanced and go to network reset, and here network reset is that you need to click reset now. Once you reset means it will reset the entire network settings, and after that go to C drive, go to properties and go to tools and click check and scan the drivers. So it will scan the entire C drive because all the files and folders of the program and games are in C drive. So we can only scan only C drive is enough. So you are successfully scanned the drive, and after that you need to go and restart your